Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Here in this time, I'd like to share you how to save photos in the Google Drive. So guys, we know that every single device that we own now also contains the memory or the storage, and it will allows you to save the several data that you still need to, but also the Google Drive will allows you to, let's say, create a folder and save the photo. And how can we do it? So let, please stay tuned and let's get into this video. So here I am using the Android phone, particularly the Vivo Y17s, and I have also installed the Google Drive. It usually, when you buy the brand new phone, it actually has been installed into this photo. Into this device or this memory storage. But if you would like to not install it, it can be uninstalled because it is also depends on the how many storage that still left on your device, because it also will need your storage to have the performance in your device. And I will open this drive here. As you can see, this is the data that I have saved here into my Google Drive. It is not only for the photo actually, but also for your many of data. And let's see about the menu bar here. As you can see here, the storage section, it shows you the storage left of my Google account. As you can see, there are 10 and 25 gigabyte that storage that has been used, and or in another side it is only 5 gigabytes left. And let's say if you would like to settings the savings or the backup photo, so you can just click the settings and you can just scroll down, and there you go, the transfer files only over the Wi-Fi. You can activate it if you would like to save the photo automatically from your device into your Google Drive. So whenever you are activate this phone and activate the Wi-Fi, then this picture in that inside your gallery or inside your phone will be transferred and back up into the Google Drive memory. Or if you would like to manage by yourself independently and choose about what the certain photo or video or data that you would like to save in this Google Drive, then you can inactivate this toggle, so it won't this memory of the Google storage in your account will not run off the storage fast. As you can see here, the data usage warning, the transferring files over mobile data may incur additional charge, and depending on your mobile data plan. And I can click OK here. So whenever I activate the Wi-Fi, so the photo or the data won't be transferred directly into my Google account storage. And as you can see here, for this menu, you can also do the some action to have more space for your Google Drive storage. Let's say you can also clear the cache here, and I will do it, and also cache size. And you can also change the theme here. You can choose the dark version or light, and the system default. And you can also manage about the notification settings. Let's say if you would like to get a notification about the certain data or the photo, then you can activate this toggle. But here I will not do that. And also the backup and reset. And let's say if you would like to save the photo from your gallery of your phone into this Google Drive, then you can just click this plus. Let's say you would like to create the folder first. It is pretty easy. Then you can just name the folder. Let's say I will type the 28 July 2025 and create. And there you go. This is the folder, and I will click plus and click upload. Then it will direct you into the gallery. You can choose here or simply selecting the data or the photo or the video that you would like to upload into that folder. Let's say I will choose this. This is the preview. You can click just one or always. And if I would like to save it into my Google Drive, then I can just click it and select. I'm sorry. And there you go. It will be uploaded into this folder. So it will does the same into the picture. Let's say I would like to save the picture. Then I will go to the image here or this album. Photos. And let's say I will save this. Then it will upload it into the folder of your Google Drive. That's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And don't forget to give the like and also subscribe this channel if you would like to see our a lot of video tutorial, and I hope it will be beneficial for you guys. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.